Are you guys still using those boring transitions? Stop doing that, because today I'm sharing 3 clean simple transitions inspired by After Effects editors that are made in Alightmotion, designed to take your edits to the next level. No overthinking, let's take a look at the preview. And wait, don't skip the last part, because there I will show you how to use the preset properly, and that part is the most important. Import the XML file in Alightmotion. Keep the resolution of your project as I have kept. Now add your clip.
They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine.
Drag both of your clips to the bottom.
My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet.
Now copy the effects from original clips and paste it into your clip. Now delete the original file layer and link your clip with the null layer. Now import the exact font that I have used and use it in the text layer. Now go to add PNG layer. Add remove background PNG of the next clip. Add same PNG in the above grouped layer. It's all done. Now export your project. That's all for today, everyone. Thanks for watching.